girl Anna Kate, and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing a chit chat. Get ready with me. Just get straight into this video. First thing I'll be doing is my makeup, and by makeup I mean my eyebrows and mascara. That's it. Just filling in my eyebrows, and I fill them in like really lightly because my eyebrows are already thick. They used to be a lot thicker than this, but I started arching them, so yeah. Basically, school is school, taking up all my time. Main reason I haven't been on here, even though I do get out of school early at 11:54. I don't know, I still be having homework and stuff like that. We got our report cards on Friday. Today is Saturday, but I didn't get mine because, like I said, I leave early and they only give them out 7 periods, so I have to wait until Monday to get mine, which is really annoying because I should just be able to go to my guidance counselor and get it, but no, because I guess they don't print them until 6 period and then pass them out 7 period. But that's just dumb because you could still print it earlier than that, you feel me? But yeah, I know y'all probably looking at this like, girl, you didn't even do nothing to your eyebrows. I really do. One, I needed to sharpen my pencil, but I wasn't finna get up and go sharpen it. No, that's dead. And two, I'm not wearing a full face, so I'm not finna go like dramatic with my makeup. Now I'm gonna take some mascara. Football season is officially over. I'm so happy. I freaking hate football season, only because we're outside with the bugs. I don't like bugs, and on top of that, our school's not that good at football. They did good this season. Yep, it's officially basketball season. Our first game is November 27th. Best believe I will be vlogging that, period. So I'm done with my makeup. Like I said, it's not that much. Should I put on highlight? Kind of want to, kind of don't. Anyways, I think I like basketball season more simply because I actually enjoy watching basketball. Basketball season is just all around better, and our school is better at basketball than football. I'm gonna just put a tad bit of highlighter, not too much. Tryouts start next week on Monday through Thursday. That's when our tryouts are, or whatever. If you already was on a team, you really don't try out. You kind of just like help the other people that are there, you know, the new people trying out. This will be my 3rd season of cheer. I did basketball season last year, then I just did football season, and now I'm gonna do basketball season again. Yep, it was fun. So yeah, this is pretty much all I do on a regular basis, which is not even a regular basis, honestly. I don't wear makeup for real. I'm just doing it to make the video a little longer, because if I did my hair and that's it, like, that would be kind of boring, you know? And I haven't talked to y'all. Anyways, so I'm finna start my ponytail. I need to wash my hair. Don't worry. I wash my hair every Sunday. I'll probably do like a whole bun tutorial next time I put my hair into a bun, because my hair is already like prepared for the bun since I've already been wearing it, you know. But yeah, school's going great actually. Our senior year is just very, very busy. It's a lot to do. Not really like learning wise, but like colleges, fast fuzz, all this other just a lot. I don't do well with stress. I'm a procrastinator, so I do well with stress in certain situations, not every situation. I'm a procrastinator, and that in itself already leads to stress because you wait until the last minute to do it. Now, if it's like a project or something and I wait till the last minute, when I wait till the last minute, I could pull that off, and it'll actually be better than if I took my time. Because I feel like if I do it last minute, then I gotta prove like I actually spent some time on it when I didn't. But if I spend time on it, it'll probably, like, I don't know. I'm weird like that. But, yeah. So, I've been looking for a job because senior year is expensive, okay? Senior year is expensive. Like, who knew? Gotta pay for cap and gowns, gotta pay for your yearbook. Well, you don't have to pay for your yearbook, but I'm getting a yearbook because I'm in a yearbook class, and because it's my senior year, so I want one. But this is the first and the last time I'll be buying a yearbook. Anyway, so I have a boyfriend, and we're actually like really, really good. We've been together for a year now, going on 2 years. October just passed, so we just hit our 1 year mark. It's really, I'm really happy, you know. In life, you deserve better. So if you're with a boy or even a man and he doesn't treat you right, leave him, sis. Because if he think that he could just treat you any type of way, that is not somebody you want to spend your life with. Men, not boys, men know how to treat women, which is what you are. You ain't no little girl, none of that, you feel me? So yeah, if he ain't treating you right, sis, let him go, period. You deserve way better than him. Men who have been raised right know how to treat women. Another thing, if he doesn't respect his mom or his sisters, don't get with him. If he don't respect the females in his life already before you, do not get with him. Cause he ain't got no respect for them. What make you think he gonna have respect for you? You know what I'm saying? Oh, how do you guys like my new intro? I made it by myself. I was really proud actually, because I just hated my old intro. Like, I actually hated it, like, with a passion. Every time I had to put it, I was just over it. But I was asking people if they know how to make intros. They saying no, this and that. So I was like, you know what? Let me figure out how to do this. So I looked it up, and boom, I did it myself. Independent, strong, black woman. I'm a head ass. But, yo, why this ain't working? Like, this is really finna make me upset. Like, no cap. No cap. I'm wearing gold today, even though my buttons are silver. I like to match my jackets with my accessories. So if my jacket got gold detailing, then I wear gold. But I just feel like gold today. But she is there for me. When I'm at my lowest, you know. Hey mom, because I know you're gonna watch this, because you always support me. That's another thing I love about my mom. She is very supportive. Very, very, very supportive. And I really appreciate that, because I don't know, I just do, you know. Who don't appreciate support? And I want to thank you guys for supporting me this whole time I've been doing YouTube. It's almost a year, but I really slacked. Like, I posted one video, and if y'all was here from the beginning, I posted a hot puff tutorial. That video got 10,000. I'm not even capping. That video had got 10,000 views, but it was copyrighted. So so it ended up like getting deleted, but it had 10,000 views, and I was so hurt. And when that happened, I just stopped, like, cause I was like, that was my first video, and I was so proud of myself for getting 10,000 views. Like, y'all don't know how happy I was. And I had got it within 3 months. I had got 10,000 views. So I guess y'all really liked it. I'll probably do another one or whatever. But yeah. So now, take off my bandana. Normally I do my do-rag, but it's cool, whatever. Yep. Now I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I have a white, what is this? A white tank top. This is from, I honestly don't know. I had this for like a year plus. I don't know. This jacket is from Burlington. It was $12, trust me. But it had pearls right here, but I took them off because don't nobody want that. I got these black leggings from Walmart. They're just like athletic leggings, you know. But I don't work out, so. And then I just have my black Vans. Old school high top Vans, you feel me? So this is my fit. My gold accessories, a gold K, my earrings, and then this watch. This necklace and this watch are from Kohl's. This was $9. This was $12. These earrings, I'm not sure. Took from my mom's closet. This is just like an overview of my outfit. I like it. It's real cute. This is just how I'm gonna wear my jacket. I don't know. It kind of look good like this too though, but yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much all I have for today's Get Ready With Me chit chat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment some topics y'all want me to talk about next time. You know, I feel like it was kind of just all over the place. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a what? A thumbs up. Do not forget to comment any video suggestions or requests you guys may have. Please comment some ideas because I don't know what to do next. Like, I just don't know. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Definitely hit the subscribe button. It's right there. It's free. If you like me as a person, want to see more videos from me, then why would you not subscribe? Don't just watch to watch. Watch and subscribe. Support your girl, okay? Turn the post notification bell so you are aware when I post a new video. And I think that's pretty much it. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Who's giving you all your love? Who's bringing you all your pain? Who's making sure that you straight? I ain't pressed, but I'm interested. Give me the time in a day.